So what's different in this one in a nutshell, right? We're going to go back to, she's ambitious, but she's a rock star. He's a rock idol. He's jealous. It's hard not to be jealous. We're going to add the component that they write a song together. That is one of the sexiest things you can watch human beings do. Come up with love words that you put to music and sing to each other and then kiss in the middle of singing. It's friggin' gorgeous. It's a sex scene without everybody getting naked, right? And this is what we can do in 1976. It simulates sex. We're not going to the Academy Awards. We're going to the Grammy Awards because that's what we do in rock and roll. We're still going to keep the line. So Dorothy Parker is still giving us, with one more look at you, this is a huge deal. This time, it was decided that it was, I don't like the word cowardly, but it was weak to walk off into the ocean. It was far cooler and more dude-like, more testosterone-driven for him to get into this brilliantly beautiful, expensive car and crash up. And it's just a deeply sad scene. And then, of course, she gets called when she comes to the site and she's actually touching the dead body, right? And she's like, don't want to leave him, and her manager has to pull her off of him and all that stuff. So we've changed a few things, but we've not changed the trajectory of the story. And again, that's what an arbitrator would look at, right? An arbitrator would say, no, the plot points are still there. The decoration is what has changed. So pretty big deal.